Hi everyone. Let us see what happened today in the market. Today Nifty opened around 17,427.95 and it went high till 17,428.05, just some 10.1 point, okay, and fell till 17,312.75. But actually I suggested to my friends like today you should not sell on rise, but it is a buy on dips only because the market is still bullish, and the previous close was around some 17,359.75, so it just went just below the previous close and bounced back, okay. So but the candle here formed to see in 15 minutes chart, the opening candle was completely bearish candle. So just they book this immediate profits while opening, okay, and market will just very few points downwards. It's not too big fall, okay, it's very mild. And here it made till 17,312.75, okay. So what should do for tomorrow? This today it's an interesting pattern. See, this bearish candle is the price is trying to negotiate this red bearish candle. So 17,435, any breakout above that will be a positive signal for the buying, okay. That means it's a breakout and it will give you a target till 17,500 approximately. I'll just let you know. So if suppose the price break above the 17,435, we can go long with just stop loss just below 17,300, okay. And if it price breakout above 17,435, the target will be approximately 17,580 range. So it's somewhere around 150 points. The present momentum is bullish in the market. There's no negative momentum, there's no negative sign. So this bearish candle, I don't think this will sustain. The price will break out eventually and move higher. So let us hope for a positive opening tomorrow. In case of bearish market, suppose if the market falls, suppose say expect the market will fall tomorrow, you should not take down bearish position like short positions below till 17,300 and below. Preferably be bullish. So I am expecting this market to move till 17,800 at least in this momentum, with this momentum, okay. And there are few stocks which I would like to suggest for long term. HEG Industries. One is HEG. I have mentioned my friends in my group where when it was 921 rupees, okay. HEG Industries was 921 rupees yesterday or day before yesterday, I guess. So what happened is today it gained 4.35%. We'll look at the daily charts, okay. See, the price has came down till 19,018 rupees, okay. And this is the big bullish candle, which is engulfing candle, that is engulfing for the past 6 to 7 days price action. So this is a very positive signal. So keep the stop loss below 910 or 915 and you can go long positions. I expect at least 30 to 40% pullback, which is for short-term traders. For long-term investors, it is the best level to buy, at least accumulate. I tell people like accumulate every stock in certain manner. Like you should not invest 100 rupees. If you have, you should not invest all the 100 rupees in one stock. You should invest 5 to 10% maximum. Say if you are investing 100 rupees in markets, you invest some 5 rupees. Suppose say if you have 1 lakh rupees, invest some 5 to 6,000 in this particular stock. And try to book profits when you get 30 to 40% for swing trader or some short-term traders. The another stock which I suggest is Indus Towers. There is still some downward momentum remaining in this stock in my view, but that is very limited to downside. Limited downside. Now the current stock is at somewhere around 143.60 rupees. So there will be some 5 to 8 rupees downwards. But I am also expecting from this stock, it is like it will reach some. It will give some 30% gains minimum. Indus Towers. See, there is a little bit of downward momentum in my view because there is no bullish confirmation. The price is also daily close is like doji. So if it gap down tomorrow, it might go a little bit of downwards, but the downward support is at somewhere around 134 rupees 77 paise. It is comparatively some 9 rupees downside, 8 to 9 rupees. So if you accumulate at these levels, try to accumulate. If you don't want to buy at once, just buy in increments and wait for the target till 170 or 165 levels. So this is definitely a long-term buy for a good investors. Another stock is INFOSYS. This is also almost at very good levels now. See, it is like it made a gap up opening. The downside is around 1,364 rupees. Okay, so 1,364 is a pretty good level for INFOSYS. So it is 1,410 rupees. Actually, I am expecting definitely a big returns in long term, but for short term traders, you can accumulate at this level and 1,400, 1,370 to 1,410 range. Okay, in case of any downside, and sell at the range of 1,500 to 1,600 levels. This will be easily achievable target for INFOSYS in the medium term. Another stock is AARTI Industries. This stock has been falling for a very long term from the higher levels of around 1,200, but it has reached some 480 levels. So this is also pretty good stock to buy for a long term. Who are long term investor, I suggest buying this stock. But fundamentally, you should check this all the fundamental aspects for this stock. But technically, it is very good stock now. Very good volume support it has now. So I suggest minimum 30 to 40% returns in long. This bullish candle. Keep this bullish candle as a stop loss. Okay, any downside below 478 you can sell, but keep that as a stop loss only. But for long term investors, there is nothing to panic. This stock will rise in my view, and there will be some 30 to 40% minimum returns in next 6 months to 8 months. So I suggest accumulation. Coming back to Nifty, 17,000. See, today it's like showing a hangman pattern, but it is not a completely hangman because it is formed just in the beginning of the trend. So I don't think this is a negative candle. This is a continuation of bullish candle where the bears tried to pull the price downwards, but bulls again pulled this price back to the opening levels, nearly opening levels. So I am expecting slowly a moment with low momentum. At least with low momentum, there will be some price up move till 17,800 levels. Any mild pullbacks should be used for buying. Okay friends, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.